Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I'm getting ready to go into CVS because they are having a fabulous clearance sale. I know you guys have been finding a lot of clearance things. And you know, I always tell you to keep looking for clearance every week at CVS. Your store might be sold out this week. It might come back next week. You just never know. And this deal that just came back, guys, woo, it is fabulous. Because when everyone else was going out and getting this deal, I was searching all my stores, went to 6 different CVS's, couldn't find it, was wondering why I didn't have it. And then when I did find it, it was full price. I'm like, oh my God, why can't I get this sale? But now I got it. And guys, I cleared the shelf. So before we get into it, before we get started, I just need you guys to go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you got your clearance toilet paper or any other clearance deals. I will be doing another clearance video, but I wanted to specifically do this one because I know this one's probably the best one. And I know that a lot of people have been looking for this. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let me know if you did the deal. Let me know if you did it and you're still looking for it. But we're going to go right into the deal and let's get ready to save. Okay, guys, there is the deal. As you can see, it is 14 cents. If you're wondering what it is, it's the Kleenex single rolls of toilet paper that are regularly $1.39. They are 14 cents. Guys, you see I emptied the shelf. I have a cart full. I couldn't resist at 14 cents. I had to clear the shelf. I had to get them all because I've been looking for this deal for weeks, probably months, because you guys were getting it and I couldn't. So now I found another pile in another section of the store. So you see there's some on the shelf. I want to clear those too. So I have a total of 45 rolls of Kleenex toilet paper in my cart. And yes, they are 14 cents, 45 rolls. So I am headed up to the register. I'm going to tell you what my total is shortly. I'm going to show you my receipt. I'm going to load them all into the car and I will have toilet paper for days and days and days. So like I was saying before, guys, never give up on finding clearance at CVS. Check every single week. You never know when your store is going to get it in stock or when your store is going to change the price. This has been full price at my store for months. And now all of a sudden now it's 14 cents just like everyone else's. So now I'm able to take advantage of the deal like everyone else was. And I wasn't getting discouraged because I knew that eventually it would come down to 14 cents. I just had to be patient. And that's exactly what you have to do when you're looking for clearance at CVS. Every store's prices are different. And it also depends on what region you're in. Prices are marked down regional sometimes also. And it also goes by the demographic area. So the Northeast might have one price. And that even goes from state to state. So Pennsylvania might have one price. And then, you know, Chicago might have another price. New York might have another price. So you just have to keep your eye out and just keep looking. So we're going to go over this receipt here. Okay, so here is the receipt. As you can see, there is the toilet paper. Okay, Kleenex toilet paper, single roll. And it is regularly $1.39, but it's on sale for 14 cents. And I'm just going to scroll my long receipt up so you can see that I got 45 rolls. This receipt is super long. So see, 45 rolls. And my total was $6.30. But I used $6 in extra bucks to pay. So I paid 30 cents out of pocket. $30 for 45 rolls. But even if you don't have extra bucks, just pay cash. I mean, what is $6.30 for 45 rolls of toilet paper? That's excellent. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. Tell all your friends about the sale. If you see that the shelves are empty, make sure you ask them in the back if they have more. Okay, guys, until next time, keep on saving.